Here are 6 silent assassins that kill your greatness without making a sound. 1. Laziness. It doesn't yell. It gently says you can do it later, while it robs you of momentum, drive, and destiny. Every delayed step becomes a missed opportunity. 2nd, anger. It feels powerful in the moment, but it leaves wisdom bleeding in the aftermath. Anger makes you loud while silencing your logic. 3. Fear. It disguises itself as caution, but really it's the thief of dreams. It convinces you that safety matters more than growth until comfort becomes a cage. 4. Ego. It tells you you're already enough, so you stop evolving. Ego doesn't protect your greatness. It strangles it in pride and blinds you to what's still possible. 5. Jealousy. It turns your focus outward instead of inward. You obsess over what they have while ignoring the beauty of your own becoming. It trades peace for poison. 6. Doubt. The softest voice with the loudest consequences. It doesn't scream. It whispers just enough to stop you from trying, and then it wins. Protect your mind. Guard your spirit, because the most dangerous enemies are the ones you've made feel at home.